There. Step 2 of my Ursula cosplay. Step 1 is in a different video. Step 2, the earrings. In the last video, I did the necklace, which is right there. I'm thinking out of this piece of wood, I had a nice pen blank. Don't know what kind of wood it is, but I love all the stuff going on. I think if I can get some of that to come through with the purple, I think it'll be really cool. Here's my reference material. This just some ones I found on Etsy. They look kind of cool, like the kind of the conch shell shape. So looked up some conch shells. So I'll just be looking at that. I'm going to make it purple later, but I love doing this part. I experimented with some watered down paint to get the color. Then I realized the whole thing was too big and it's too heavy. So I'm going to cut a chunk off and then kind of re-sculpt this side. I like this side, so I'm not messing with that. I watered down some purple paint and did that. So then I carved the other one. There was some cracks in it, so I dribbled some thin CA and let that set overnight. So I'll sand that, then I'll paint that to match that.